Today I'm going to show you how to remove the grille off of a second generation Nissan Xterra. So that's 2005 through 2015. Super simple, you don't need any special tools. There are 6 plastic clips on top of the bumper, 3 on the driver's side, and also 3 on the passenger side here. And those are super simple, and those are removed using a flat blade screwdriver. And all you gotta do is just lift up on the pin, and then the whole thing comes right up. So these are super simple. A lot of the trucks, as they get older, will have a problem where these clips break, so be careful with them. Be gentle, be patient, and those will come out without any trouble. Okay, once these are removed, the top of the bumper becomes loose. So now you have 2 metal clips that are behind this piece here, and another one behind on the other sides here. So those metal clips are located just behind this piece and also this one. And there are also, I believe, 4 plastic clips that clip the bottom of the bumper onto the grille itself. Okay, I'll show you those in a moment. So the next thing, we need to release these side pieces here. So you just kind of grab the bumper firmly and just pull it towards you. There we go, that one let go. And then this piece, same thing. Just gonna grab that firmly and pull it towards you. Mine just came off. And now you just have the lower 4 clips that are holding it in. I'll show you those lower clips. So we are now looking downward. Okay, from the top here, downward. And then do you see that clip over here? So that's one of the 4 that we're going to use to remove the grille here. So you just press the little tab on the bottom and the whole thing gets pushed in. So then we'll move over to the other side and see there's another one here. So on the bottom, you just give it a little push and then it comes loose. Okay. And then there's another one in the very corner over there. You see that piece? Again, I push that and the whole thing separates. So again, you've got that one, this one, then you've got the first one that we released, and then the one in the very corner. Push that from the bottom. There we go, and the whole thing comes out. Congratulations, you have successfully removed the grille.